A object is placed at a distance of 40 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. Okay, let's try to observe this. This is a plane, this is a concave mirror, and a object is Q placed at a distance of 40 cm. The focal length is 15 cm of this concave mirror. We need to find if the object is displaced through a distance of 20 centimeters towards the mirror. The displacement of the object will be, first of all, we need to find the displacement, and second, we need to find the object towards the mirror. If the object will be towards the mirror or it will be away from mirror. So we can simply apply our mirror formula, that is 1 upon focal length equals to 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon u. So we can put the values here. The focal length will be minus 15 because the concave lens, the lens is the distance, the object is 40 meters away from it, so it will be minus 15. So 1 upon minus 15 equals 1 upon, we don't know the v, we don't know the value of v, neither we know the value of u. So for u it will not exist because this object is away from the mirror, so we can neglect that, and from this we can say that the value, we can use the value 40, that is 1 upon 40. From here we can find the value of v1 is minus 24 centimeters. Similarly, again we'll apply the mirror formula, but now for a reduced distance, that is 20 centimeters. So again 1 upon minus 15 equals 1 upon v2 minus 1 upon 20. From here we can find the value of v2 as it will be somewhere around 60. So we need to find the distance from v1 to v2, so that will be v2 minus v1. So 60 minus 24, that equals to 36, what, towards the mirror. So this will be our solution, 36 centimeters towards the mirror.